Give me Shell. Give me Finn. Give me Noggin. Dude. You want to introduce yourself?
No, you do.
Okay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a Sit and Talk Saturday with one of my favorite people on the face of the planet. What's your name?
Isabella.
Isabella! This is my niece. She's adorable and I love her. And today we wanted to talk about something that I realized. Bella, have you ever noticed that reindeer are better than people? Sven, don't you think that's true? Yes, people will beat you and cuss you and cheat you. Every one of them's bad, except you. Aw, thanks, buddy. But people smell better than reindeers. Sven, don't you think I'm right? That's once again true for all except you. You got me. Let's call it a night. Good night. Don't let the frost bite. Bye. We did it! We finally did it! Yes!
You were messing up for the nighttime.
I messed up so many times, you guys. You want to help me with the outro?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to click like below. While you're down there, click subscribe if you haven't already, because we have a great little family here, and you would look great in it. Thank you for being on today's video, Bella. I really appreciate that. Bella la la. If you guys want to see more of Bella, let me know. I love this little girl. Hey, hey. Shut up. I'll see you guys on Monday with a Minion Monday video. But until then, go do some good stuff later.